So you hear that? Awesome, right? So if anybody knows me, you know I'm really weird about chicken. So I cleaned it. I got all the fat and there are no veins on there. I basically bought the value pack of chicken from Giant, set a little bit over $7, and I cut each piece, I filleted each piece, and I'm gonna get at least 3 or 4 meals out of that. So that's good. Now I'm going to put some 3 onion rub on 2 of the pieces, and then I'm going to chop that up for white chicken chili. I hear we're supposed to get snow again and that we may have a delay tomorrow. Not very happy about that. Hello, Peyton. Peyton's trying to tell me that I need to put my videos on YouTube, so I'm trying to figure out how to do that. And she also gave me this hat to borrow for today. So I'm just going to generously put some of this 3 onion rub on 2 of the pieces. And then I'm going to do the Tex-Mex on 2. Actually, either one of those would be great for white chicken chili. So maybe I'll kind of do a mix of both. That's done on the one side already. This grill pan is amazing. Let's do that again on the other side. And Tex-Mex. Okay, I'm going to turn the taco meat down, and that's just going to simmer for a while. Going to add some more seasoning to that. Whoa! Hello, tacos! Hope you like seasoning. Okay, so now here's a trick. I need onions for a couple of my meals. I am using the spiralizer for my onions. So this is the veggie spiralizer instead of buying the expensive veggie noodles at the store. You can make your own at home. But I also found that this is great for slicing onions. I will show you how that's done. So I just took I cut the one end of the onion. Now the spiralizer has 3 settings. Right now it is on linguine, which is where I'm going to keep it. I'm going to put the flat part down. There's tongs on the top that are going to cut into that. Move some of these out of the way. And it's going to come out over here. So I'm just going to turn it. And you can see the onions coming out on the other side. So that's pretty cool, right? And then you just kind of take your knife through it. I love this little trick. Okay. That's good. So look at that. Like, I don't even think I need to cut the second one. I think we're good. Okay. So now, let's see if we can go over here. Oh man, don't want to cry. Don't want to cry. Woo! All right, so okay. There we go. So now you can see what I'm doing here. That's smells good. I'm gonna flip that one more time. I'm gonna leave that go. It's getting slightly brown. So while that's cooking, I think the taco meat's good. I'm gonna move that out of the way. Yeah, that's good. So I'm just gonna move that out of the way. And then I'm gonna start my white chicken chili. In my skillet. So that's already heated up. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to add some of my onion. Definitely not the whole thing, but that should be good. About half of an onion, a little bit more. Now this is actually a copycat recipe from Ruby Tuesdays. This is what I've been making for years and it's really, really good. My chicken has to be well done. So I'm gonna let that just go for a little while. Okay, now I'm going to, I don't have fresh jalapenos, so I'm going to use a jar of jalapenos. And I'm going to get my food chopper. Move the chicken out of the way. Okay, I'm just going to take a couple of these jalapenos and chop them up, maybe. Help. Oh, come on. Seriously, this is why I'm starting an exercise class, like 6 weeks to success tomorrow, because I need to whip it into shape, people. There we go. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to put some of those in the bottom of the food chopper lid. I'm just going to do it all right there. Put that on. Ta-da! And that's going to go into the pan. So that's going to simmer. I think I'm going to add some garlic. Okay. So here's our garlic. A clove. We're going to add 3 cloves of garlic. Maybe 4. We like garlic. Okay. Here's my garlic press. I don't have to peel or crush it. I just press it right into the pan. So I'm going to do that with the other 3. If you're on, say hi. I know I'm early today. It just kind of worked out better for my schedule. We have karate tonight. So now is just a good time. Okay, now the garlic press comes with a Barbie brush. And that's just it fits right in the holes at the bottom to get the leftover garlic out, which is really cool. Okay. So there's that. We're just gonna let that simmer, mix it up a bit. Turn it up. It's not very simmery. Then I'm going to add some cumin. Find it. Ground cumin. Actually going to put some of that on the chicken too. And some cayenne. And this is all just going to simmer in with the vegetables. Okay, and then once that comes to a simmer, we're going to let that go for a couple minutes. And then we're going to add, I have veggie stock, so we're going to use veggie stock. And white northern beans. This is actually a really quick and healthy meal to make. And it's great for leftovers to take for lunch. Okay, now while I'm letting that simmer, I'm also going to chop up an orange pepper. Move the chicken. You guys, I cooked in the most amazing kitchen the other day, and this feels like torture. I don't know if you saw my picture of my meal prep that I did for a family here in Mechanicsburg, but dream kitchen. All right, so we're just going to cut the top off. Take the insides out. And then I'm going to use my quick slice. I don't know if you can see this. I'm running out of room. All right, quick slice. Putting the pepper on there. I'm going to go right down through that. Got your pepper. And then I'm going to turn it the opposite way. And I'm going to go through it again. And I'm going to do it one more time. See? Little pepper pieces. Great for salads or recipes. Some of them didn't get in there, so I'm going to do it again, but that's my fault because I'm trying to be quick here. But yeah, this is a great tool to have. I love this thing. Great for eggs, tomatoes, avocado, whatever. Oh, and look, my little spatula is great for getting it out of there too. I'm sure some of you have the mini spatula. Very, very popular. So I'm just going to let that simmer. The peppers got smushed in there. Come on. Okay, it's chilly, so it's okay if there's some bigger pieces. I don't mind.